How to digitize hard copy check sheet to simplify your current job and increase productivity. Check sheet is a form used for data and information collection which help management to make a better decision. Check sheet is widely used for quality control inspection, safety inspection, maintenance, site audit, process parameter monitoring, etc. Traditionally, check sheet is prepared manually either in Excel or hard copy handwritten form. The inspection process with traditional check sheet is tedious and time-consuming. The process starts with designing check sheet, printing, perform inspection, manual data entry, manual report generation and printing. Traditional hard copy check sheet is labor-intensive, time-consuming and prone to human error. Furthermore, it is very difficult for management to monitor operation performance due to lacking of real-time or online information.
All these problems makes my job inefficient. How can we digitize hard copy check sheet and simplify the whole process?
SmartEye is a solution specially designed to address the problems of traditional hard copy check sheet. It is a proven solution to simplify and digitize traditional inspection process with significant cost saving and productivity increment. SmartEye start with check sheet design, then proceed to inspection through tablet or smartphone. The management can monitor the operation performance through the online or real-time dashboard. This allows instant action if abnormality happen. Compared with the traditional way, SmartEye eliminates several steps with significant time and cost saving. SmartEye technology is in line with the direction of Industrial Revolution 4.0. The key components of SmartEye consist of powerful form designer which can accommodate various kinds of form format. Online inspection apps can run on both Android and iOS tablet or smartphone. There is real-time interactive dashboard which provide management instant information on operation performance. SmartEye involves cloud computing technology, web technology, real-time alert, big data analytics and mobile technology. SmartEye can be used for various kind of purpose such as manufacturing process control, safety inspection, maintenance inspection, site audit, construction quality inspection, hospital compliance inspection, etc. SmartEye could generate significant benefits such as higher quality inspection, standardization of the inspection process, higher productivity, strengthened data integrity, eliminates human error, auto-generation of report and mobility.
After implementing SmartEye in our inspection, our productivity has increased significantly. Better customer satisfaction. Allow management instant decision and trigger action. And lower operation cost.
If you have any inquiries or question, don't hesitate to contact us or visit our website for more information. Thank you for watching.